The Indian Air Force has added a batch of Tata Nexon electric vehicles to its fleet in order to reduce carbon emissions, keeping up the government's initiative on introduction of green mobility. Air Chief Marshal VR Chaudhari flagged off the first batch of 12 electric vehicles to be inducted in the IAF fleet, in the presence of other senior officers and staff. The force is planning to gradually increase the usage of electric vehicles in its fleet in a progressive manner by replacing the conventional vehicles. IAF is also planning augmentation of the e-vehicles ecosystem at various force bases, including installation of charging infrastructure. This first batch of electric cars introduced today will be deployed in Delhi NCR units for performance monitoring and analysis, as said by IAF in a press release. The exact specification of these Nexon EVs are not known yet, but expected to be the prime spec Nexon with 30.2 kWh battery pack. Thanks for watching.
Ni le courage.